Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Lenovo K6. Firstly, you need to access Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bar. Then type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. I already did that because it was taking ages, so I can open it right away. Choose I accept, click Confirm, Continue and Allow. After that, go with Send on an Android and Receive on Lenovo. Now you need to tap on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only go with, for example, one photo. Choose Send and click Got it. From here we have two connection ways. You can scan QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on Lenovo, choosing Allow and pointing your camera at the code. But you can also input this key over here and tap on Receive. Now we have to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of Files app, like File Manager, click on In My Case Pictures and look for Recents. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!